Good morning, it's me again. This morning we're going to bake some lekker muffins. First we take snowflake. It is like a Bran muffin. The whole packet is like a half a kilogram inside the bowl. Okay, then we're going to put some 2 eggs in. Two large eggs. Okay, next is like 1 spoon of baking powder. I always put like one extra spoon in. Oil, cooking oil, 125 milliliter cooking oil. So I measure with the feeling here, and then 1.5 cups of milk. That's it. Now you take a spoon and you mix everything together. Substance looks like this. Doesn't be too stiff. Okay. Now we're gonna prepare the muffin pan with all these cups. You put them in, line them out. Always better to use these things. Then your muffin pan doesn't get so much dirty. Let me show you exactly what I'm doing here. These things are so thin, sometimes you put some of 2 on top of each other. Just make sure like this, you see. And one packet makes about 12 to 14 muffins. Okay, that is finished. Now you're going to take your spoon and you're going to put it in here, like spoons full. And fold them all up nicely. Almost finished. Scoop the last little bit down here. That's it. Now they're ready for the oven, 180 degrees. Until they rise nicely, and stick about 15 minutes and they've finished. Okay, just another hint, while the muffins is in the oven, don't open the door until like 15 minutes past, otherwise if the rising process is still going, and then it will fall flat. Then you can take a smooth knife, push it into one of the muffins, and then you will see if there's still raw dough in the front. If there is nothing, the muffins is ready, you can take it out. Okay, let's do the test. You can push it like in there. So that one is still not ready. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, let's try it again. Let's try that one. See, that one is clean. That's fine. I think that is ready now.